Toyota's guest driver and valet modes are advanced security features that give vehicle owners enhanced control over their cars when sharing them with others. These features are available on Toyota models from 2020 onwards that are equipped with Toyota Connected Services. You'll need an active subscription and can access the features through the Toyota mobile app on both iOS and Android devices. Guest driver mode allows you to temporarily share your vehicle with trusted individuals while maintaining complete oversight. You can monitor their speed, set geographic boundaries, track their location in real time, and receive alerts about their driving behavior. The system sends real-time notifications when violations occur, such as exceeding speed limits, driving outside designated areas, or surpassing maximum driving time limits. Valet mode provides enhanced security when leaving your vehicle with valet services or service centers. It automatically restricts the vehicle's maximum speed to between 35 and 45 miles per hour, limits audio volume, and can lock access to storage compartments like the glove box and trunk. Both guest driver and valet modes provide comprehensive vehicle control through the Toyota app, giving you enhanced security, real-time monitoring capabilities, and complete peace of mind when sharing your vehicle with others. Setting up guest driver mode begins with accessing the Toyota app on your smartphone. You'll need an active Toyota Connected Services subscription and the latest version of the app installed. To set up guest driver mode, navigate to the guest driver feature in the Toyota app's main menu. Here you can see the interface showing vehicle location and guest driver settings. When creating a guest profile, you'll set important parameters including duration of access, speed limits, and geographic boundaries. These controls help ensure safe and responsible vehicle use. Once parameters are set, the guest driver receives an SMS message with temporary access credentials. This secure method ensures only authorized users can access your vehicle. Valet mode setup is accessed through the vehicle's infotainment system or the Toyota app dashboard. You can see the setup menu here with Valet mode as an available option. Valet mode includes customizable restrictions to protect your vehicle. You can set maximum speed limits, audio volume controls, and lock access to storage compartments for enhanced security. Both modes provide real-time monitoring capabilities. You can track your vehicle's location, receive alerts for violations, and monitor driving behavior through the app's dashboard interface. Important considerations include the need for cellular connectivity for real-time features, potential subscription costs after the initial free period, and ensuring all users understand the monitoring capabilities for privacy compliance.